Volunteering. The Peace River Refuge and Ranch in Florida is a sanctuary. It provides permanent homes for a range of abused and unwanted animals. They have big cats such as tigers and leopards, as well as wolves and primates. The sanctuary regularly accepts holiday volunteers who look after and protect these exotic animals. Students in the field of animal conservation learn how to care for the wild animals. Others prepare food and help with the maintenance of the refuge. The Snow Leopard Fund is an animal protection organization in Kazakhstan. It works to save the beautiful snow leopards of the southern Altai Mountains. These leopards, known as ghosts of the mountains, are a symbol of Kazakhstan's national pride. However, they are rarely seen and are by now critically endangered. The fund operates in Katon-Karagay National Park. Here, they have 50 photo traps that snap pictures of snow leopards in the wild without disturbing them. Volunteers check the cameras and also raise awareness in local schools. They explain to local communities how to conserve the snow leopard and its natural habitat. What other animal conservation projects do you know about?